Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Hi everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of Compound Biomesin. This medicine combines hyoscine butyl bromide and metamizole sodium, creating a very effective pain-relieving, fever-reducing, and muscle spasm-reducing effect. Are you ready to learn more? Compound Biomesin is used to treat various discomforts. It is especially useful for relieving renal and hepatic colic, those strong pains in the abdomen, in addition to muscle spasms. If you've ever suffered intense pain in these areas, you may have been prescribed this medicine. But how exactly does it work? Hyoscine butyl bromide is responsible for relaxing the smooth muscles of the gastrointestinal and urinary tracts, which relieves pain and spasms. Metamizole sodium, for its part, acts as a potent pain reliever and fever reducer, fighting pain and fever. Regarding the dosage and how to take it, the most important thing is to follow your doctor's instructions to the letter. Normally, you start with 1 or 2 pills, and you can repeat this up to 3 times a day if necessary. Watch out. Don't exceed the recommended dose to avoid unwanted side effects. Let's talk about side effects. Although compound Biomesin is generally well tolerated, some people may experience dizziness, nausea, or even allergic reactions. If you notice anything out of the ordinary, don't hesitate to consult your doctor immediately. Also, keep in mind that this medicine is not for everyone, especially if you have serious liver or kidney problems. In short, Compound Biomesin is a very useful tool for relieving pain and spasms. Just remember to follow your doctor's instructions and pay attention to any side effects. Take care and see you in the next video.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.